Hello everyone, it is me, Diego again. This time I'm going to record episode 26 of my MX vs ATV Untamed gameplay, and it's gonna be the final X-Cross tournament event before the Rainbow Studios X-Cross pentathlon. So yeah, this time, okay, yeah, you just noticed that the sound was way too low. This time it's gonna be the Bell Helmets Waypoint series, and I'm gonna race it on Pro Sport. And I'm gonna use, also I can only use this thing. Really? It is weird. But anyways, I'm gonna use the trophy track because it's possibly the... No. I'm gonna use the... Yeah, the off-road buggy, yeah, let's change it. So yeah, it's gonna be just a few races doing, you know, waypoint stuff. Not a big fan of the waypoint events. I mean, well, I'm a big fan, but only when it comes to the bike only and quad only grids. What I did there was one of the coolest things you've ever seen on a game. I like how that doesn't look like an off-road buggy.
What You Brung is the name of the game here today. Waypoint Race always offers up the opportunity to see a mix of vehicles pitted against one another.
Well, mix of vehicles, it's just like open course when it comes to the X-Cross tournament. It is weird. So, no practice laps, just a grid of 6 I guess. Oh, there are 2 monster trucks, so the grid is gonna be only 4 cars, maybe less. Yeah, okay, so 3 off-road buggies, a sunrail and 2 stupid monster trucks. The sunrail is that there on the bottom, well, and even lower. And I do not know why there's so much sound of the engines. So yeah, classic waypoint racing. I'm trying to remember how this track worked. I cannot really remember it. I mean, I remember parts of it, like this river crossing, and the fact that there are gonna be like 2 or 3 more river crossings throughout the laps. But then again, it's not like I remember much of it. I didn't know you could flip people like that. Well, you have a few options to do here. You can do this jump, or you can go around. But I'm sucking, which is weird. I'm usually quite good at this. I guess somebody flipped or something? I don't know, something happened. I mean, I saw some vehicle disappearing. And yeah, motherfucking monster truck is leading the race. There you have the... I think it's a motocross track. Yeah, I think it's a motocross track. Okay, that was weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna go full throttle. I'm not right behind the monster truck, so I can pass him. Hey guys. Oh god, I almost got crashed there. And then, I think the ideal line was to do something smooth around here. Not this kind of thing, obviously. And there I see the poles. The lovely lady poles. And here on your left side you can see the airfield, which includes, obviously, the supermoto track. Hitting some big speeds right now, almost 100 miles an hour, already 100 miles an hour. Lord. And it's not a field goal! And I shouldn't have tried to do that. Yeah, look what happened. I got from first to third. Okay, here's the agricultural shit. is the starting point, this hill. I guess that if you jump, but not so much, it's a bit better. Okay, if I could get some stability, that would be great. I'm gonna try to go around here because last time it was fucking awful. Okay, and I didn't got it right. Yeah, I did it way too... Oh man, I lost so much time there. Yeah, that's me losing like 5 seconds. Well, not 5, but 2 or 3. Okay, 7 seconds? Well, that was awful. Well, at least I'm second, behind Sepulveda, Robo on third, one is there. I hope that we are... No, Robo is on a monster track. Fuck it. Yeah, monster tracks are working surprisingly good. The lack of a confirmation sound is kind of annoying for me because I'm used to that and I mean, it feels weird. Okay, there is almost no water there. Come on. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna win this one. It's just a thought. It's just my imagination. Just my imagination. Just my imagination. I don't know. Dance. Well, I cut down like 3/4 of a second over there. Let's see how this really fast spot works out for me. I hope it works out nicely. Okay, no, I lost yet another second. Oh yeah, you can do it right here or so. Yeah. Which is much faster. I don't think there's 8 seconds between us. That or I got like 4 seconds thanks to that. No, I got like 3 seconds. Nice. Well, if I can get it right this lap. Yeah, and if I can get a good lap this time by, I think I can win this thing. The lap is pretty damn long, as you can see. I'm in 2 minutes 40, 43. Well, 43 with my mistakes. Remember that I lost like 7 seconds at the beginning of the lap, last time by. Sometimes I feel like I have no fucking grip at all. And it's annoying, fuck. I'm trying to get new lines. I mean, I'm trying to follow his lines but doing it a bit better. Oh my lord! Yeah, okay, that's me winning. He got hit by the harvester, I think it's the name of it, in English at least. Well, I'm leading. The problem is that now I won't get time differences, gap, you know, for the shit is happening, so I just go on getting more and more advantage. I'm gonna try to concentrate on driving. This is possibly the longest track in the game. I mean, you consider how long the laps are and how fast you are going. And you don't have to be really smart to see that. Well, this is possibly the longest track in the game. I'm gonna try to do it smoothly around. Then tight right-hander. Oh my lord. So yeah, that's how you do it. That is possibly the fastest way to do that sector. Okay, I think I should start trying to aim for the stratosphere and, you know, keep it on the ground. Because I think that's slightly better. Not by much, but, you know, a bit better. And, well, it's gonna be quite a win. Win! Yeah! 228. Not that big of a deal. So, yeah! I mean, whoa. 15 seconds better than anybody else. 304, 259, 259, 250. How the fuck did Monster Truck got 4th and 5th? God damn it, Basel! Okay, it's a 6 vehicle series, so yeah. The one at Kittery Point is much different. This one needs some, you know, some cornering speed. And that is going to be definitely interesting. I mean, this is more about finding the correct path, because there is no much, you know, free riding like there was in Greenfield. I mean, in Greenfield we were riding off the tracks most of the time. Here in Kittery it's not like that.
Kittery Point, we've got another great day of racing for you. Riders are heading toward the starting line. Let's take a look at today's competition.
Morning, clear and sunny, 23 Celsius degrees. There's a short while, okay, right now I have to remember, there's a short while of free riding, but it's quite short and it's not that important. 3 motherfucking monster trucks this time. Starting on the outside, obviously. And it's for me, it's one of the most interesting tracks. Okay, so that small sandrail is the one by my main rival, Sutherlin. I think the name is... try to cut through, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, I'm on the outside. The inside is blocked by monster trucks, but not anymore. I mean, you can do stuff like this, but you know, sometimes using just the trail is a bit faster. I don't know, it's that kind of thing. If I remember well, this was a bit better if you were doing this and not going out the road. Fuck. Yeah, so the pull right behind me already. I want to remember this was a possible trail. The problem is that you have to do this drop. I feel, well, Suburbia is gonna be behind me all the time. And now it's the free ride path. Just this straight to the finish. And it's not that big of a deal. The finish is here, there, no, it's here. Whoa, so many bumps. I wasn't able to turn. So weird, such a weird feeling. So yeah, it's me, Suburbia, and then all the other 4 vehicles in, you know, all bunched up. Kind of weird. I wanted to keep my wheels on the ground, didn't work out as planned. Okay, at least I got it. I kept it on the track, on the trail. You know, for me, no waypoint and some true open cross, you know, with much harder tracks and all, would have been better. I mean, I know waypoint is pretty much a tradition on dirt bike racing games. I mean, yeah, pretty much every single dirt bike racing game that had, you know, open worlds has had this. I mean, it's pretty much a norm. But yeah, it's not the kind of norm I like. Well, I mean, it's kind of enjoyable, but you know, after all, it's just following a path. but you know, most of the time it's not marked. But it's still following a path. So yeah. You know, it's all about optimizing your lines, just like you would do in any other fucking racing track. Okay, whoa, like make contact with the fence there. I'm trying to go a bit more aggressively now. I have the ability to do so at least. And I just noticed that this is completely fucked up for some reason. I hate it when it happens. And you should have some more game. Okay, I had a few problems there. And well, the group, the chasing group. Oh fuck! I do not mean Sepulveda. I mean the chasing group right now is fucking, is way the fuck behind. And yeah, this is the last lap, of course. Please, please, please! Oh my lord, that was the coolest entrance to a checkpoint. Yeah, I did my best lap time? Not really. I almost did the same one, even though the lap was completely different. I think I should have been a bit faster. I know I had the problem with the flip and all. So yeah, so we were 16 seconds behind than everyone else. Around 45-50 seconds behind. So yeah, to split up we go. I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to see if I remember the track at the Split Oak. I think I remember it. I think, yeah, because it was a bit like Greenfield, kind of similar. But still, I'm gonna be discovering it. Just imagine you could do that in real life. Get a bit sideways on our run and then...
Welcome to another exciting round of waypoint racing. Riders are heading to the starting line. Let's take a look at the competition.
I remember the trees and I remember that bridge. I think you had to do that bridge at, once a lap or so. Okay, so Sepulveda is on a trophy track. That's gonna make things interesting. Roadblock is on a sand rail, Battle is on a trophy track, One is on a trophy track, and oh my god, and Sepulveda is driving my trophy track. And also Quan, the other guy. Basil is driving the same kind of trophy track I used to drive. Start pretty much because I think it is spotless in second. You see, okay, Sepulveda is, oh my lord, Sepulveda has some speed. I'm gonna keep it on the asphalt, yeah, not exactly. Yeah, because the trail in this case is not exactly the one. We will be visiting this same kind of, path, in a bunch of episodes when I start, getting the free ride discoveries of Split Oak and such. I mean, you could go through that bridge or try to do this. Okay, this was the island thing. Yeah, I mean, there were, I call it the island thing, but it's this. It's this part. And then it's this fucking steep thing. I just put it into line. And then you were going to go back to here. I remember it now. Well, man, that was crazy. I remember that optimizing your lines on a motorbike, on a quad bike was fucking important and really hard to do. was something we had to do, yeah. Yeah, because this part is a bit too much free ride. Well, not too much, but you know what I mean. It's a lot of free riding and well, and you really have to work you really have to find the best way around. 155.66 to begin the race, and suppose I have to pull the fuck away from the rest, but it's not enough to chase me. Hey, it's nice, we can do it. That splash was huge. I mean, I would love some game to have, you know, water interaction, but you know, a bit more realistic than games nowadays. Because if you are on an off-road buggy and you enter water, like I did, the splash is going to be enormous. I'm gonna have problems here, yeah, I knew. I knew that I was going to be resetted before the water, not after. Okay, I jump over the water, but not so high. What I do? Looks to be a bit better. That looks to be much faster than I have done the lap before. Okay, another weird bounce. Okay, not so big and not so weird. I'm needing to use the airborne controls constantly on this race. Even though I'm just going straight most of the time, it's not like I have to jump just next to a corner. But even with that, I'm needing to use the airborne controls all the time, just to avoid weird bounces and all that. 146.44, 10 seconds better than before. That is something. Well, I guess at the start and a couple of mistakes I did, are... Whoa, man, that's huge. Oh my god. My couple of mistakes and all was pays off for the... Yeah, I did this in trends. I think it's much better. Even though the entrance one is a bit slower, I mean, it's much safer. Okay, that's gonna suck. I mean, I knew it was going to suck. I just didn't know how much it was going to suck. It turned out to suck a fucking lot. I mean, let's be honest. That was all. Trying to do the same tactic. A bit slower for some reason, I guess it was because of the water crossing. And bunch. My lord. I'm leading by a fucking ton. I do not even know how much. Because, well, I mean, there's nobody around. But I guess I'm winning by a lot. Blah. And by the way, I've kind of considered showing you some extra stuff you cannot find doing the usual thing on, just the event series and the extras. Oh, by the way, I want the extras. That is, for example, showing you the practice mode. But it's kind of fun. It's kind of it's cool, definitely cool. And the other one would be showing you the what was? Waypoint, but using motorbikes and quads. Sutherlin Valley is another kind of interesting waypoint track, extremely free ride as well, and it can get you in trouble if you don't know the exact way around.
Valley! Hope you're ready to witness the insanity that is waypoint racing this afternoon. Riders will be carving their own way out there today. Let's take a look at the starting lineup.
When they are talking about insanity in this waypoint track, it is. I mean, it is insane. It's not as long as Greenfield, but it's much crazier. And everybody's driving decent vehicles, yay! And by the way, there's a freestyle motocross path. There's a waypoint right there. Is this the one with the star that reminds me? Yeah. This star is kind of a classic when it comes to to Rainbow Studies games. This start for a waypoint course or this element, it's a fucking classic. This huge tabletop. And it's a classic. I've seen it in Motocross Madness 2, I've seen it in ATV Off-Road Fury, and I've seen it on the PS2 version of this game. Which, as you already know, is completely different than this. But you know, it's so fucking classic. They put it all the time. It's just, I mean, it's theirs. And it's some element that, if it's a Rainbow Studios game and it has waypoint racing, oh my lord, Battle overtook Potash. And it was literal, he passed over Potash. And I mean, it's a must for them. If they make a game with waypoint racing, that element that huge tabletop has to be there, somewhere around. This is the hairpin. Then after this, the best thing to do is to stick to the road, because with that you'll get some amazing speed that I can get. 100 miles an hour, 105. Do a barrel roll! Okay, I messed it up. This was not the way. Yeah, okay, flip. I flipped doing the most stupid thing ever. Yeah, because the good way around is like one it was trying to show me now, it's this one. And I wanted to do that one, but for some reason I completely messed it up. So yeah, Sepulveda is already leading, which is interesting. And by the way, maybe this track is longer than Greenfield. Yeah, because of the huge speed is sustained for a lot more. Oh yeah, never go over that hill because it's stupid and you have to go around it. Whoa. And then you have to go this way. Yeah, I mean, just keep it straight. Whoa, Basel. And then again another tight left lander to complete the lap over here. 240 is going to be more or less. Okay, it's not the full lap of the road. Yeah, I mean, maybe it's longer than Greenfield. Just look at the speeds. The speeds are a bit bigger than during Greenfield. And the lap time is pretty much the same when you fuck it up. But we're going right behind me. I'm gonna try to clear the tabletop. I'm gonna try to check the records right after this series to show you how fucking big that jump was. Because I mean, that felt like it was like, I don't know, 300 feet, or even more than that. The longest racing jump in the game has been right now when I was on a trophy track on Pine Lakes, on the Pine Lakes Open Cross track. I did a 110-meter jump, which is, let me think about it, 350 or so? Yeah, 350 feet more or less. But that was my longest jump, followed by the monster truck jump on the same track. It was, just, oh my lord! Fuck. I'm gonna have problems. And yeah, the secondary way would be this one, and then going for some reason there's somebody that I'm going to lap right now. Well, maybe not right now. Okay, I see the problem. He fell down the cliff. Ah! He fell down the motherfucking cliff. Or somebody pushed him off it. Okay, maybe it was Sepulveda. Yeah, if you think about it, I haven't seen Sepulveda since pretty much that second. Last lap, but we were on the lap before. Oh no, it's him after all. So yeah, it's gonna get me the championship win a bit easier than I was already getting it. I mean, I think that in order to win the championship, I needed to finish like in front of him in this race. But this time it's gonna go a bit more. Oh my god! I was on my back plate, on that. I think there was some alternative here on the far right, but yeah, it's not like it's gonna work much. Yeah, I had to preload that in order to avoid the thing. And this track is quite crazy. I mean, well, this time the announcer was right. This is the most insane waypoint track of all. I tried to check them out, because I was fading away from them. And right now the front was this bunch of rocks. This is a bit faster. Just a bit. Just a little bit faster. I cleared it. Oh my lord, okay, this is faster. If you're going this fast, it's fast. That route is much faster than anything else. I mean, basically because I hit that at like 92, 93 miles an hour. And yeah, the Sepulveda is still there. Stuck as fuck. Just trying to complete this race. Just a couple of checkpoints to go. Well, waypoints. Yeah. Well, waypoints, checkpoints is pretty much the same. Yeah, okay, this was a fucking mistake. I mean, big mistake. I think there's either only one or two waypoints to go. I think it's two of them. Yeah, I don't think this is the finish line. Yeah, it's not. Line is over there at high speeds, 100 miles an hour as I went through, and there I go. Results. So, and well, for some reason Sepulveda is listed as second, even though he didn't finish a fucking lap. He got the same time as me. It really got second. So weird. Now off to the final waypoint race at Del Sol. This time it's gonna be, well, it's pretty much, that rock village I visited during the destroyed thing? Well, I go through that. Come on. Well, I got it right after all. That was good.
Del Sol should provide for some extreme conditions during today's race. I hope each rider is ready for it.
This one is kinda weird. Yeah, okay, this is the rock village I told you. The windmills. I don't think I go next to the windmills. Okay, so battle with monster truck, one with the upper valleys, one with the dropping trap, Borders with the sunrail, Crossbow with another sunrail, and me still with the upper valleys. do that 360 pivotal thing, you know, for shit and giggles. Okay, there's this essence. I mean, you don't really want to hit that field at all. Now I get to the crater thing for the rock village. But you know, you don't have to go through the rock village. You have to slalom a bit, or you know, find the most straight way through, you know, using this. And now I think you have to follow the road for a while. But you can do a shortcut right now and go by going to the left. And you can go, you know, using the road. But using the road is slightly longer than, you know, than trying to do some small shortcuts. Oh, fuck. This is like the second or third time I've used reverse for some good thing in this gameplay. Yeah, this is a fun jump. Huge jump, by the way. But it's not like you have to go. You have to go, or you should go deep into the crater. Keep it to the edge, and that would be, you know, a bit better. But I'm not going to do this. Okay, I found a way. I'm trying to low. This one better. Well, suppose that is having problems again. He has gotten worse as races have progressed. And that problem at Sutherlin Valley was the thing that pretty much killed himself when it comes to the championship. When it comes to have a chance at winning the championship. And now after I go to this, change my vanity. Come on. Oh, I got it better. Got it better. A bit more momentum, that's, you know, that's always good. Speeds are... Okay, I was going to say speeds are stupidly high, then I fucking hit the pole. People are a bit farther away than that, so I cannot control the time that usually just watching. I'm in a completely different line to optimize my speed. You know, pretty much avoid the second crater and go straight for the speed. I don't know if it worked perfectly or not. Right now I'm just trying to get a good lap time, think about the best ways around, because, you know, this is an announcement I may do, not that sure, but I may do all the event series, racing series, the racing series, not the freestyle, but I might do the racing series on professional, for the event series gameplay. And that should be a bit more fun for you, because I mean I won't have such good margins of victory, but you know I still have to test it out. Yeah, okay, I was like, yeah, let's finish this wall, please. Alright. But you know, just as much as I like to give you a good show, but I mean I have to see if I can win set championships. I mean I know I have some, you know, some bad tracks, some good tracks, so I mean it's gonna be kind of interesting to see if I can I won't set myself an impossible challenge. But you know, if I can do it, I'll try. So yeah, Potter, Sepulga, Rodwell, Juan, and Basel on last place. Oh my lord. Whoa, Basel got in trouble early on. There's this. Bell Helmet Series, congratulations, you placed first! You know what? I mean, I'm glad it was only one race per environment. Okay, I've got another golf cart. That's nice. Yeah. So yeah, next time it's gonna be the Rainbow Styles X-Cross Pentathlon, then 2 more freeride environments. Yeah, I mean, because I thought about making the freeride environments right after this, but then I thought it was pretty serious. So yeah, next time it's gonna be freestyle, supermoto, opencross, motocross, and supercross. Final races of this X-Cross tournament. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.